everyone. So in this topic, we'll understand about what exactly is Vanilla Encoder. So I'll write Vanilla Encoder. Well, when you talk about a Vanilla Encoder is a type of artificial neural network used for unsupervised learning. So it consists of generally two parts. One is your encoder and one is your decoder. So of course, encoder is the primary one and decoder is at the output side. So if we talk about the encoder, this component takes an input data point and transforms it into compressed or lower dimensional representation, often referred to as latent space or encoding. So you have encoder side and it simply takes the data. And then it makes the data go compressed. And this is the bottleneck, the hidden layer. So technically it has only one hidden layer, and that's the bottleneck. And with the help of that, it is used for several purposes. One of the purposes to make the data go lower dimensional so that it can get compressed. And the decoder, on the other hand, is present so that the compressed data can come back to the normal form, and you start getting the original form of the data. So this is what basically the encoder and the decoder part is there for the vanilla autoencoder. As I said, that decoder takes the encoded representation to reconstruct the original input data form. Now the prime object, the question is why we name this to be vanilla encoder. I mean, vanilla means plain encoder. Anything which is having the term vanilla to it, we plain. So the prime objective of vanilla encoder is to minimize the difference between the input data that data reconstructed by the decoder, saying that effectively learning from past representation. So autoencoders are used for tasks such as dimensionality reduction, as I said, dimensionality reduction. It is also used for feature learning. And it's also used for data denoising. Data denoising. They are called vanilla to distinguish them from more specialized values or recurrent higher forms of autoencoders. So vanilla or plain, we generally call these kind of encoders as vanilla or plain encoders because these are the basics versions of the autoencoder. And this is all about the vanilla encoder, everyone. Thank you so much.